How to fix this build of Vanguard is out of compliance error. Check if secure boot and TPM 2.0 are enabled. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. Type in msinfo32 in the Run dialog, and click OK. In the System Information window, check if BIOS mode is set to UEFI, and Secure Boot State is set to On. If they are not, you need to access your BIOS. Set BIOS to UEFI mode, disable CSM, then enable Secure Boot, and enable TPM 2.0. If enabling these features doesn't fix the error, try the following fixes. Method 1. Run Valorant as an administrator. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in C:\riot games \Valorant \live /shooter game \binaries /win64 and click OK. Scroll down. Right-click Valorant-Win64-Shipping, and click Properties. In the Properties window, select the Compatibility tab. Mark Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, and click OK. Method 2. Repair Valorant game files. Open Valorant. In the top right corner of the window, click your profile icon, and click Settings. In the Valorant panel, click Repair. Valorant will verify the integrity of game files, and replace missing and corrupt files. Method 3. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. Right-click the Windows Start button, and select Apps and Features. Scroll through the list, and find Riot Vanguard. Click the three-dot button next to Riot Vanguard, and click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. Click Yes to continue. Launch Valorant, and Riot Vanguard will be reinstalled automatically. Method 4. Update or upgrade your Windows operating system. Right-click the Windows Start button, and select Settings. Select the Windows Update panel. Click Check for Updates or Install Now if Windows has already checked for updates. If you're running Windows 7, 8, 8.1, or Windows 10 earlier than version 17.09, you need to upgrade your operating system to a more recent Windows 10 version or Windows 11. However, to upgrade from Windows 7, 8, or 8.1 to Windows 10 or 11, you will need to create a bootable USB drive. Click Restart Now when prompted. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.